Hey guys, today I have a package from Only Sweet Cafe. There are just a few items in here, but they're really cute, so we wanted to show you. Want to see what's inside?
Yeah!
So here's the first item.
Ooh,
And this,
little squishy.
it's a My Melody ice cream, and this is actually a free gift.
Squishy like a little flower. It's so cute.
This one's really cute, and we don't have any of these yet, so I'm so happy to get one. Thank you. So here is the My Melody ice cream out of the package. It's really soft and small. It's got a really fast pop-up.
It's like when you squish it, it just pops up.
I really like this one. It's really cute. And here is the next one.
Ooh, it's a strawberry pie. There's even a piece that's all the way off the cake.
It's really, really cute.
And we're squishy.
So here is the Chawa strawberry pie. I'm so excited to add this to our collection. And the coolest part about this is you can take a slice out. Doesn't that look so yummy?
Yeah.
And it even comes with a ball chain, so you can, hang it on your keychain or something. It's got the loop here. Oh my goodness, and it's so soft and slow rising. That is amazing.
Super squishy. And the inside it's like cold.
Is it cold from the outside because we just brought it in?
Yeah.
And it's so detailed too. Look at all the individual strawberries.
Strawberry icing too.
Yeah, it's got all the little cream. It's got all this like
Bread.
frosting or something delicious. It just looks so yummy.
Like the pie bread.
Can I show the inside?
Strawberries in the inside.
Yeah, they look so delicious.
I don't know if they're strawberries or cherries.
I think it's the whole thing strawberries. That is so awesome.
Yeah.
So there's two more left. This is a big one.
It looks like a panda.
Look how big it is. It like fills up the whole screen. Oh my gosh, it's so round and so fat and so cute. Want to take it out of the packaging?
Yeah. So this is it of the packaging. It's very cute.
It's so jumbo. So this is the Nani Panda, I think it's called. Yeah, Nani Panda.
So squishy.
So I don't always smell squishies unless the scent is very overpowering, but this one has a really subtle baby powder scent, which is like, I've never smelled that on a squishy before. It is really, really cute. And it smells really nice.
So it's very squishy.
It's so squishy. Look how slow rising that is.
So slow rising and squishy.
Oh my goodness.
Feet.
The little feet are so adorable.
Squishy.
It's got a little tail. This one is just so well made.
A ball for tail.
And it came out quite a while ago, so I was so happy to find it on Only Sweet Cafe's website. And here is the very last squishy. It's so tiny.
Ooh, it's a little tape. It has like little chocolate chips, chocolate M&Ms on top, and it's rainbow. It's very squishy too.
So this is a Chawa rainbow cake. I would love to find the jumbo size one, but I was only able to find the mini one. This one is so cute, don't you think?
Yeah.
So those are the 3 items in my Only Sweet Cafe squishy package. Which one was your favorite?
My favorite is the strawberry pie.
Yeah, I really like that.
And I also like the big panda.
I think the panda is my favorite. It is so big and so cute. So,
thanks for watching this video.
and please like and subscribe our video and turn on that notification bell.
Bye.
Bye.